ever feel like you're stuck in a cycle of overeating? Here's the solution to your problem, the Candy Table. It's designed to help you break the cycle of overeating and lead a healthier lifestyle. It's a great way to satisfy your sweet tooth without feeling guilty. Plus, it's super easy to use and looks amazing in any room. Get yours today and start living the healthy life you deserve.
Oh my God. Did you? Okay, so I'm editing my video, right? And then this thing pops up and it's telling me, let AI script your video. I'm like, all right, cool. So it asks for a prompt. It says, what is in this video? I put Candy Table. That is the script that AI came up with for a healthier lifestyle. Don't eat your candy. Send it to Nita so I can put it in a candy table. I'm gonna do more of these because these are freaking hilarious. All right, I'm finishing up this candy table today. Here I'm getting my measurements. This is the finishing process. This is where you find out like how much resin you need. And if you don't want to see this part, fast forward it. It's 8 ounces. It's 8.6, which is really close to 9, but this cup was only 8 ounces. But I'm going to make it work because I've worked with resin long enough to know that I can make that work. It's not that big of a difference, and I know how to stretch. So this is very important that you make sure your surface is flat, so that way all the resin doesn't run off to one side. This is the before. And here's adding resin. This is the most satisfying part right here. You're gonna have to wait till the next part to see the reveal.